Okay, so this time we will go ahead and draw a flowchart again for the example of comparing an age to 18. But this time we will do something if the age is not 18, which means if we're comparing it to is it greater than or equal to 18 and it's false, we will have an else branch. So again, the variable that we will need for this program is age, and it will be of type integer. So again, this here is used for declarations or initializations as needed in the program. And we will ask the user to input a value for the variable age. And then we will compare or evaluate if age is greater or equal to 18. Now put a question mark here because this is an evaluation, which is a conditional statement, which yields a Boolean value of true or false. So it's either true or false. So as you can see, this is what we call branching. You're either going to the right or the left. If it's true, we will simply print, just like we did in the previous video, out. And we will print yes. If it's false, this time we'll also print something. And this would be out as well. And we will print no. Okay? So these are, as you can see here, our input-output symbols. No matter what you do, the flow will converge to a single point through this connector and continue on with the program. We will print to the screen end of program just to indicate when the program ended. This is not mandatory, but this will give us a visual and a sense of the flow for the program. So this would be out here, end of program. And the real end is right here at this terminator here. Okay, so let's go ahead and modify the previous program we had to include this new item on the false branch of the if statement. So here's the previous program we had where we had an if statement without an else. This time I'm going to modify my comment and I will say with else. So it will be an if statement with else. We will still ask the user to input the age. We will compare and see if the age is greater or equal to 18. We will print yes if that is the case. And notice what I'm going to do here. I am going to align else right below the if statement and put a colon. And then when I hit enter, notice the automatic tab here. You have to respect that. That would be the block that will be executed under the false branch. So we will do print and simply no. Okay, let's see how this program now behaves. So I'm going to go ahead and run this program. And I'm going to say I am 16, which is below 18. As you can see, I get the no and end the program. Now let's go ahead and run this program again. And let's put 22. And notice now I get yes and the program. So no matter what you do, you will get the end of program as shown in the flowchart. And the reason for that is, again, because no matter where you branch, you're going to converge to this point and will always print end of program. However, the no and yes are on either branch. So one will display and not the other, depending on the value of age. And that's what an if statement allows you to do, is to control the branching of this flow for the program.